Okay, good Tuesday morning or afternoon, or some of you evening who do your homework late at night. As long as you're getting it done, I guess I really don't care. Slope-intercept form should be reviewed from middle school. That's your goal today. Just write in slope-intercept form. So we should remember from middle school that slope-intercept form is just y equals mx plus b. M is our slope. We did that yesterday. And B is the y-intercept. Directions here for the first set of examples. Given the slope and the y-intercept of the line, write the equation in slope-intercept form. So on all of these, all the way down, like on this first one, my slope equals 2. My y-intercept is b, that equals a -1. So we're still using the y equals mx plus b. So we're just rewriting y equals 2x. And instead of plus, since we have a -1, that becomes -1. Jump down to number 3. Same thing. My m equals -3. My b equals 2. Okay, what does that? Y equals -3x plus 2. Doesn't matter if it's a fraction. Now in this case, my m equals 1/4. My b equals nothing, so I don't have to write that. Y equals 1/4 x. So you need to do these as well. You're going to end up doing this whole worksheet. Directions. Identify the slope and the y-intercept of the line. Then write the equation in slope-intercept form. A couple of you guys struggled with this yesterday. You would just write positive or negative, and that didn't line up with the directions I gave a class in the video. So here we go. Let's identify our slope first. So that is our m. We can figure out our m, I'll write it over here, by calculating our rise over our run. Remember, if it goes up and to the right, that's going to be positive. Over here, it's going down and to the right. It's going to be a negative. So this one here, I go up 1, 2, 3, and then over 1. So I went up 3, I went over 1. So that's 3 over 1. My slope equals 3. My b is just where does it cross the y-intercept? Where does it cross that y-axis here? So we go down 1, 2, 3, 4. -4. Now go back to your y equals m x plus b becomes minus b. Over here, same thing, except now we're going down. So when we're going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we went down 6, which makes it negative whenever you go down. That's the difference between positive and negative slope. If we go down on our rise, it makes it negative. So I have -6. Then we went over 1, 2, 3, 4. They're both even, so I can divide by 2. -3/2 is my slope in lowest terms. My y-intercept, I went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Y equals -3/2 x plus 7. It's a positive 7 because we are above the axis. That makes this one positive. And coming back over here, we were below, makes it negative. A couple more for you, then we'll be done. They quit putting the M and the B, so just write it off to the side. So here on number 9, I'll do M equals going up 1, 2. So I went up, I rose 2, and I went over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. M equals 2, 5, 2/5. And my B, here's my 0, 0. I went down 1, 2, 3. B equals -3. Written out. 2/5 x -3. Last one I'll do, I'm going to jump down to number 11 just because it's back to the negatives. M equals, we're going to go down 1, 2. So down makes it negative. And then we go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When they're both even again, so I can reduce that. Where's it cross at? We go up 1, because here's my origin, my 0, 0 point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My y-intercept is 5. Written as an equation, y equals -1/4 x plus 5. Your assignment is to just simply finish this, which goes all the way through. 1 through 16, all. Except I did a bunch of them for you. Show work like I did. And since this is such a short assignment, take care of your Wednesday check-in. And that's all for today. Easy day. Have a good one.